How do you get medical treatment after a Florida bicycle accident? Now, this video applies to solely the injured bicyclist. Now, if you've been on a bicycle in St. Petersburg or anywhere in Florida, and you've been injured as a result of the actions of a car or a truck or somebody else that caused the accident, the good news is that you will likely have insurance money to pay for, at a minimum, some of your medical treatment. Now, the way it works is, in Florida we have the PIP system, the no-fault system. So, if you're on a bicycle and you're injured, first, if you have motor vehicle coverage, you own a car, you have coverage, your own PIP kicks in and will pay for up to $10,000 of your medical bills. So at least there's something available there. If you don't own a car, but you live with a resident relative who owns a car and has insurance, car insurance of course, then you can qualify under their PIP no-fault benefits of up to $10,000. So there is a second pot of potential insurance money to pay for your medical treatment. Lastly, if you do not have a car and you do not live with anyone who has a car, you will then qualify under the car or the truck, their policy to pay for their PIP benefits of up to $10,000. So you potentially have three pots of money to go after to qualify to get those $10,000 worth of medical bills covered. So there's something available for you to at least treat your injuries. Now, if you were not at fault for the accident, there is now a second analysis of the equation. If you speak to a bicycle accident attorney, of course I am one, there are now two separate ways that you can continue to get medical treatment if you've exceeded the $10,000 worth of coverage. Now, if you have health insurance, what you'll do is you'll bill through the health insurance any of your medical expenses. Health insurance will then assert a lien out of the recovery of your case, if in fact you have a case. If you don't, then you just continue to bill through health insurance. Lastly, if you don't have health insurance and you hire a bicycle accident attorney, that lawyer will be able to refer you to medical specialists and providers to treat you on what's called a letter of protection, or an LOP. I always refer to it to lay people. It's like an IOU. So if the lawyer has a relationship with the doctors and the other medical providers, those providers are more likely to treat you on this IOU because they trust the lawyer. They trust that the lawyer is going to recover compensation in the case and that they'll be repaid. And so there are multiple ways, if you're involved in a bicycle accident and injured, that you can receive quality medical treatment to improve your recovery. So hopefully this video was helpful as far as what happens after a Florida bicycle accident and your medical treatment.